Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here, we will show you how to construct the oven. Place the base on a flat, level, horizontal surface with the folding legs facing upward. Unfold the 4 legs. Flip the base over. Lower the charcoal grilling chamber onto the base and latch it. Lower the oven chamber onto the base. Latch the 2 pieces together. Lower the lid onto the oven. Insert the lid hinges into the lid hinge slots. This configuration generates heat from charcoal in the charcoal grilling chamber. When using this configuration, use charcoal in the charcoal grilling chamber. Do not place charcoal in the base. To add charcoal, unlatch and lift the oven chamber away from the base. Place the hot oven chamber on a non-combustible surface when you lift it away from the base. Add hot charcoal to the charcoal grilling chamber. Replace the oven chamber over the charcoal grilling chamber and latch into place. Care must be taken to avoid burning yourself. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.